There was a very big and famous temple in a city. In that temple, there was a very beautiful marble idol of God. Whoever would come and look at the idol bowed his head in front of it and prayed to it. The floor of the temple were also made up of marble. One day, after the temple doors were closed, a marble tile on the floor asked the idol of God that both of us are coming out of the same mind from the same stone. Then why is it people admire you and consider you so much? And plate ahead, but go on putting on me. Do not even pay attention. Never appreciate me. Why this has happened? The idol replies, yes, you are right. We are from the same place, same mind and same stone. But what is different is our journey. You remember? The sculptor had chosen you first to make the idol and started working on you. Tal said, yes, I remember. I remember he had hit me with his tool. It was so hurting. I hate that man. The idol said, right. It was so hurting. There was a lot of trouble. That is why you were shattered. He chose to leave work on you and did that work on me. It was so painful for me also. He hit me with his so many tools. He hit me with his so many tools. He started working on me, hit me from everywhere, from every side to give me the shape. Even I had a lot of trouble and pain at that time. But I endured that problem. Because I was sure that if he's working hard on me, he's doing something good with me, then definitely it will make me something different. Even I have a lot of trouble and pain. But I endured that problem. Because I was sure that if he is working hard on me and I am facing some difficulties at this point of time, then it will definitely make me different and better in my life. And look at it. I was suffering, I took the challenge, and now I'm an idol of God. Everyone admires me. I did not give up, and look, he turned me into a beautiful God idol. If I too did not bear the same difficulties as you, then I would not have to face this test. And he would have given on me also. Maybe he would have chosen some other stones for his idol. But I did not give up and you gave up. That is the difference between your and my journey. You gave up, I didn't. I felt the whole pain that was given to me to make me my best version. I faced the challenge that was given to me. I endured every pain that was given to me, but I did not give up. And today I am one of thousands. Not like you, a child. There are many difficulties in our life. Everyone have to face some difficulties in their lives and do lots of struggle in their life for success. We think that this is happening only with us, only we are facing such type of problems, only we are facing these type of situation. Everyone is happy and only I am struggling. Maybe you are thinking, but that is wrong. There are difficulties in everyone's lives. God gives challenges according to your strength. If you are facing lots of difficulties, that means you are able to pass that. Because every exam will be taken according to the student, okay? Do we take exams of a first standard boy and make a paper of a 10th class boy? Not at all. We make according to the syllabus. We take exams according to the student, always. We always take exam according to the student. Then how it be possible that we are facing so many difficulties and we are not capable to go through it, to pass it? It's not possible, okay? We are able, and that's why we are facing all these difficulties to clear the exam, to do the hard work and to keep trying to make ourselves successful. Because once if you pass this exam, your life will be changed forever. Remember, if you want to be successful in your life, focus your attention in finding solutions, not in finding problems. Do not take step back and don't make excuses, okay? Think, why does God give us such type of situations in our life? Why? Because we are capable. Because He knows that if He'll pass, if He'll do this exam, if He'll finish this exam, if He'll fight with these situations and beat this problem, He will be the person who is unbeatable. God knows that we can withstand this. Perhaps we do not trust ourselves as much as our sculpture relies on us. Therefore, we should not give up. Never see that maybe these struggles, maybe these problems are given to us because they know that we can bear this suffering. And after suffering from these problems, the person who will come out from our personality, It will be very attractive and the same as the God wants from us, as the God wants. But we do not believe ourselves. Our habit of giving up too soon make us same, just like others. Don't let it be. Just believe yourself that you can do that. There is no problem without solution, guys. There is no problem without solution. But just need to change your attitude towards the problem. Believe that yes, I can face every problem. I can fight every trouble. I will work hard and will show by succeeding in this exam. Maybe success will be more difficult than ever, but you don't have to give up. To get success, you have to focus, you have to do study, you have to fight the problems, you have to keep aside the excuses. For success, we have to put ourselves in tough situations. But when success comes, when we get out from those difficulties and win, then we will become an example, a good example for others who are trying for success, who are trying hard in their situations. Remember that gold has to heat a lot before turning into an ornament. It takes a lot of injury to convert an iron into any shape. And in this way, a person has to face so many difficulties to change into a good personality. You will definitely get success. Just don't give up. Leave this habit of giving up, guys. Maybe you will succeed. Not immediately, but definitely. Just believe in yourself and face the difficulties with the confidence. Because when the troubles are over, your life will completely change. Every problem that comes in our life makes us stronger than before. Remember that. Because the attitude to fight with the problems, not to run away from the problem, will make you successful. Face every challenge for success, because success with confidence will definitely be yours. Without your involvement, you can't succeed. And with your involvement, you can't fail. So keep fighting. Don't give up. Do your hard work. Give your 200% to everything that you are going to try, that you want to be. Because if you want to be different, if you want to be successful, because remember one thing, that not everyone is successful in their lives. So you want something that not everyone have. You want to be different. For different things, you have to be different. You have to do something different, and you have to keep apart your other nonsense things. You have to keep aside all these distractions. Like don't lose your focus to your goal if you are really willing to be successful. Because if you are thinking that yes, I will keep these things aside and let me do the daily routine work, then you are not going to be successful. Trust me, guys. Maybe you feel that there are lots of difficulties coming. I'm facing too much trouble. I'm facing too much difficulties in your life. Then remember one thing, that difficulties in your life do not come to destroy, but to help you realize your hidden potential and power. Let difficulties know that you are too difficult. I hope this story of a stone that was hidden by the tools and converted into a beautiful God idol will make you motivate to become different. Be an idol, not a tile, okay? Because there are a lot of tiles in a single temple, but only a one idol. Got it? Be the one, not the thousands. If you really feel motivated from this story, and if you really like this, then you can subscribe Aashvi Thinks YouTube channel, and you can also follow me on my other social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. And last but not the least, please be safe at your home and take care of your parents, of your loved ones. Because this time is really hard for us. I know that we all are facing a hard time, but still make time for your parents and your loved ones and love them.